Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to have a little bit of a break from the 151 and the prismatic. And we are going to open up these tins. I believe they're... oh, there you go. Yeah, Palladay mini tins. Don't know what's in them. And just going to crack it open and have a look. We have a sticker. Okay. And we have our normal card artwork type of thing. Paradox Rift. And Obsidian Flames. Cool. I haven't opened Paradox Rift before. I avoided the set. Didn't really want to do it. But I guess here we are now. I did open a bit of this around release. And I think I'm a fair way through the collection. I would have to have a look. Now that I know that it is Obsidian Flames, 5 more packs so I can start collecting again and see where I'm at. If I do need to open up more Obsidian Flames to complete, I guess that's what we will be getting. 4, I think. It's been a long time. Paradox Rift. Oh, it's a great. I probably don't have to actually. Look at that. Okay, reverse. Oh wow, no way. Oh, that's not too bad for a first hit, is it? A Blitzel. Oh, rare. That's wicked. Okay, well you can go over there, my friend, and whatever the hell that is. Okay, so 1 from the back. Just like 151. Okay, so that is Paradox Rift, and this is Obsidian Flames. Because I have come out of this completely unknowing. I don't know what I'm chasing. I know that there was a few Charizards in this set. Fire, darkness. So obviously a fire would be like amazing. But we'll see what we can get. Drapier. There's 1 reverse. No way! What's our luck today? This is crazy. That is such a pretty card. Holy shit, that's a pretty card. Wow. And a Thundurus. But check that out. 2 packs, 2 illustration rares. I think our luck is turning up. God damn, that's pretty. Okay, well, I do hope you guys enjoyed. Catch me around for the next ones. I got 4 more tins to open. Okay, peace.